Hi, we're David Allen Capital. In this video, we'll educate you about alternative funding and how it can benefit your business. Alternative capital is designed for businesses that have ideas to grow their sales and profits, but need money to implement those ideas. Traditional bank loans can be challenging for business owners. They often involve lengthy applications, high credit score requirements, and the need for real estate collateral. Less than 20% of business meet these qualifications. Alternative funding offers a more flexible and faster solution. Approval is based mostly on your current sales, more than your credit score, and no real estate collateral is required. Typically, the approval amount is 1 to 2x your lowest revenue month from the last 3 months. For example, if your monthly revenues were $60,000, $72,000, and $50,000, your approval amount would be based on the $50,000 month. The repayment amount is generally 1.2 to 1.5 times the approved amount, spread over 9 to 15 months. Here's your last 3 months' revenue. Based on the lowest month, your approval amount might be $50,000. The repayment amount could range from $60,000 to $75,000. Now, let's compare this with the new revenue generated using the funding. If the new revenue exceeds the repayment amount, it means the funding decision is good for your business. However, if the new revenue is lower than the repayment amount, it may be considered bad debt, and you might want to wait until you have additional ideas or strategies to ensure growth. Using the funds to generate enough new revenue to cover the repayment is crucial. If you have plans and strategies to increase your revenue, alternative funding can be a great tool. Otherwise, consider holding off until you have a more productive idea. To make repayment easy, we set up automatic daily or weekly deductions from your bank account. This way, you won't have to worry about a large monthly payment, making it easier to manage your cash flow and lowering default rates. And each provider knows what you can afford each week. At David Allen Capital, we started an online funding platform called Bank Breezy, which allows us to position clients with the best alternative funder in the marketplace with one simple application. Bank Breezy gets offers from all the top alternative providers in one day. If you think this might be a fit for your business, visit our website or contact your agent today. At David Allen Capital, we're here to support your business growth with the right financial tools.